don't know about you, but I feel like today's gonna be a great day.
Alright, yo, biatches, this is what the dealio is. Damn thing filled up like a taco, like Taco Tuesday. So we're gonna put ourselves a little bit of on it, but not this one. It's too short, you know. You know what the problem is when it's too short. So anyways, we're gonna cut one a little bit longer, about approximately 22 3/4 inches. And it's gonna go right in there. And I changed my accent right in there.
So that seemed to do the trick. Ooh, still a little warm. So see, we tacked in that piece. I'll show you the underside here. So that's what that looks like, and it's not perfect. It's still got little flex into it. Contemplated putting some tack welds all the way across here to hold it down, but it's really not. I mean, we're talking maybe 1/8 of an inch at best. So it's just keeping it from becoming a tunnel here. And through the magic of YouTube, we've got an upper rack in there. Not only that, but we got this little catch going on. When this thing pulls out, it doesn't fall. See, we got that little extra lip back there as well. So you actually have to lift up in order to pull this thing out. You're not going to accidentally yank it out. Comes complete with little rib trimmings and all. We seasoned it up, we tested it out, and they work. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like the look of this mesh thing. We'll see long term if it ends up being a pain in the butt versus expanded metal. But let's go ahead and take some measurements for all you geeky folks out there. Coming in at about 46 3/4 inch by just a skosh under 23. Pull this back up. Coming in at, oh, what do we got here? 39 and let's say 5/8 by, let's call that 13 1/8. So there you have it. Couple grates. Told you it'd be a great day. Later, guys.